Hello guys, it's a beautiful day. The cooking already started, but I'm late to get to this place and they're almost done with the cooking, but I'm still gonna vlog it and I'm gonna show you around. A lot of cooking has been done. Come on, follow me and see. Wow, look at the fried rice. Look at the jollof rice. Oh, look at the color. I think we're cooking like 3 bags or something. So I missed the record for this. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. This is called Owambe Nanja. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. The meat, oh my god. And what's here? It's meat again. Come on. Just going through everything, and we have jollof rice here again. And I think it's stew, and the same thing goes for this one as well. So right here, this is where everything is done. This is egusi. It's a favorite Nigerian Yoruba egusi soup. Everybody's always dying to eat this thing. Moi moi blended here. Mommy, semo lele abi? And this is semo. Look at that. So, as Yorubas always say, wankara, yes, wankara, yes. Let us go around. Party, and just so if you attend the party and you don't buy ankara, we're not gonna give you semo because semo is with the meat. This is Ofada rice. And mommy is adding crayfish to the egusi. Now look at the Ofada. So if you've been hearing about Ofada, this is Ofada. It's been cooked. Grandma, jollof rice in Abi? Look at that. This is Nigerian jollof rice. So you've been hearing about the favorite Nigerian jollof rice. This is it. This is how it's been cooked. Grandma, and Tony. She said she just had to turn it, so because there will be some places there will be cooked and some places won't be cooked. So when you cook Nigerian jollof rice, you have to keep turning it. Nigerian jollof rice. I know Ghana jollof rice. Wow, man, so Ghana jollof rice that Nigerian jollof rice. No, I had a man so Nigerian jollof rice the best. Wow. Then you grandma. Okay. These are our mothers. They are the best in cooking. When it comes to cooking, they are the best. They are the best. Like best. They are the one who make Nigerian party, as in Yoruba party, available all the time for us. And you just have to get there, and you want to eat the jollof rice, you want to eat the semo or pada, every time Allah. So these are the people who made it possible for us. Okay, a thumbs up for them. Okay, a thumbs up for them. This is the ABC and F4 part. So stockfish is there, crayfish is there. Now we're adding the vegetable. So everyone craves for this in any party. So if you're attending any Yoruba party and you couldn't get this, come on, then you don't attend. When you buy Ankara, when you purchase Ankara for the party or something, and you want to eat semo, so definitely you'll get vegetable or uwedu. So this is Ankara or semo level. Like, it's very delicious. You can see all the food that we cook. This is like a party. And there are some parties that are bigger than this, and we have to cook like more than enough. Wow, look at that. Look at the everything. And look at the fish. There's various stockfish there. Crayfish as well. Stocky, I've shown you different kinds. Grandma, kí ni ọbẹ̀ lè wà fún?
Mọ́mí ṣe bọ́bẹ̀ ẹja lẹ́yà bí wọ́n fi jí tìkù.
Ọbẹ̀ ata.
Ṣé ṣíkì la máa fi ṣe àbí ọbẹ̀ ata yìí?
Ọbẹ̀ mi ṣe chicken ni àkọ́jà ta tó kù yẹn mọ́.
Ó máa roast chicken, ó máa chicken náà.
Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ka.
Ẹ bá wọn gbàtà yẹn.
Mọ́mí ṣé ata tó wà nù kí ni ẹ?
Tó wà ní pọ́ọ̀tù láì.
Agenda. Ẹ pa olóyìn kí ló wà.
Ẹyẹ. Bóyá wọ́n ṣe nǹkan kan nù.
Àní ó lọ bá àgbọ̀ mi ẹja yìí.
Ilé ẹja ń gbọ́dọ̀ wà.
Owó lè. Ó ní ẹja rẹ̀.
A new account for everything. No matter the problem. Yeah, I'm ready. I told you happy. Anything. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Cause victory is here.
This is Jollof Rice section, so we're starting to cook a new Jollof Rice. Another set of Jollof Rice coming. So this is the sauce. And now mommy is raising the rice and put it in. And this is the moi section. Come on. Okay. Excellent.
Now I'm out of that tent. How about I learn my
You have no idea how the aroma is. This is the F4 elebusi. Wow. Ebushe ma. Grandma monkey, money ebushe.
Mo ń tọ́ bẹ̀ mi.
Ó dùn bọ̀ àbí?
Ó sáadá kò bó ṣe wà fún mọ̀kàn ẹ̀jẹ̀ kò tó máa ń rùn. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ mo mẹ́jọ nù.
Mo ti mo máa jẹ́ o. Àbí kí n jẹ́ o.
Nígbà bá yẹ wá ní màdámù jọ yẹn bá mi kéèsì. Torí mo fẹ́ sílé.
Àmì o.
Mo fẹ́ kó wá dáná fún mi.
Àmì o.
Ṣé àkókò ó ṣàlìbì?
Amen.
Òun náà lọ bá mi wọ, òun náà lọ bá mi wọ. Níbo lẹ́yìn wá? Ọlọ́run ti lè já tán o.
Àdédé wọ́n wà lórí ìfẹ́ yẹn mú kẹ́ẹ̀sì sí orí yẹn.
Ṣé nìkan ṣọlá? Ọ̀nà ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lẹ́nu ọ̀sùn tẹ́lẹ̀.
Àtọ̀bẹ̀ ìṣìdá.
Ẹja àgbà mọ́lẹ̀.
Ó màmá ìjọ lọ. Tó bá jẹ́ tẹ̀lé gbọ́dọ̀ lórí. Ìjọ ẹ̀kọ́ papọ̀.
Padà.
Ọ̀fẹ́yẹ̀ ti
Wọ́n ti tó bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
ẹ̀kọ́ ìjọ.
Mo bá fún mi yẹn fún òbí ẹ̀ yẹn. Ọbẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ọ̀dọ̀ fún ọ̀dọ̀ fún fìdí ó ẹ̀ mọ̀ pẹ́ẹ́bì sí ṣìnà.
Ó ti jiná ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kò sí.
Ó ti fẹ́ jiná àbí?
Ó jẹ́ ti jiná.
Wow. Grandma said it's ready. So she's just turning it and turning. Wow, so many food. You just have to love this. You just have to love this. Morning time. Every show. This is how my is being wrapped. Wait, relax.
I did that just
This is a Turkish stew.
Yeah, just that.
So it's time to transfer it.
Hey, she go by this time. Hey, go by this time.
Oh, I'm trying the rice. I'm trying the rice right here. So let's see. Wow. Wow. Amala ni o. This is amala dudu. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is amala time. We're trying the amala out. Checking it out.